Welcome back to the channel, and today we are continuing our career mode in NASCAR 06 Total Team Control. I will be doing two things. One thing you guys will not be seeing, I got that charity race right there. That, let's see, where's it at Mr. Clean. So I'm going to knock that out real quick. And then we will be doing the truck race at Dodge Raceway. So you guys will see me back at the truck race. Let's get started.
Tonight, the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series gets set to take on one of the most challenging and unique tracks in racing today. The Dodge Raceway Stadium in Maitland, Florida is the site for tonight's event, as EA Sports brings you flag-to-flag coverage of all the racing action. The thrills and spills of truck racing are next.
Okay, so you may have seen it qualified on the pole, which is fantastic. As far as the charity event went, we did win that. So the reward was 4,000 skill points. So that's that. As far as this race goes, if you remember this race from my modified race, it was a disaster. It was a mess. Passing's tough, and I have a feeling there's going to be a lot of bent fenders and hurt feelings in this race. Maybe even my own. So we shall see. Let's get engine started. So first couple of laps seem pretty good. I'm pretty happy right now. Hopefully, if we can stay in the front, maybe we won't have to worry too much. But I hear traffic will become an issue. Having to maneuver around traffic. I don't see any way around that unless we get a 1,000 cautions, or just keep stacking them up. But so I do anticipate some traffic, maybe within the next 10-15 laps, possibly even sooner. So we're about 10 laps in, or we'll be about 10 laps in here in a second. And so far, so good. It's going better than expected as of right now. So I will take this. The challenge will be, one, traffic will be a challenge, and then two, getting on pit road. Just trying to remember where you are on the track is hard enough. You're going around this track so quick in what, 12-13 seconds. So in practice, I did practice my pit road entry, and I think I got it down, but everything's different in the race, as we've come to learn. Looks like we'll be coming up on some lap traffic there. They're just wanting to one. So far, truck feels good. No complaints. we got an angry driver that don't like us. The 135 truck. And I don't think I'm going to mend any fences here. Just too small of a track. Truck gets a little loose here and there. Nothing I can't handle though. I'll try to get any little bit of friendship back that I can. Though I'm not expecting to get much. And I do expect him to door slam me. Unless I get by him super quickly. I figured I was leaning on the right front a lot, so I don't feel the back of the truck coming around. It is just so hard to pass. Like I said, betting fenders and hurt feelings. That's what I expect at a track like this. So hard to get around these guys, even though they're slower. Just nowhere to pass. It's hard. That's kind of what you gotta do, is you gotta push them up out of the groove. And then just get down on the apron and try to make the pass. Door slam each other a little bit. Oh, I think I came down on him. I think that was all my fault. But that's short track racing, as Joey Logano famously said. Or no, it wasn't Joey Logano. It was Denny Hamlin making funny of Joey Logano. That's right. So as Denny Hamlin famously said, mocking Joey Logano. I somehow extended my lead out to 2 seconds. I don't know how I did that, but I will not complain about it. Take every little bit of advantage that I can. Oh. They just brake checked me. Just trying to get into the pits. Cost us a little bit of time. Try to stay out as long as possible. I'm assuming my lead got so big only because everyone's pitting. Now we're gonna have people coming out. Alright, we're gonna run one more lap. We will pit next time by. We will pit next time by. So this is the hard part. Gotta let that 82 truck go. Not my fault. Not gonna repair damage. Full tank. And you know what, we will repair the damage because no we won't. And yeah, that'll be it. Oh, the caution's out. I just seen the yellow light flashing. So I think that helps us a lot. and we're just knocking people over like it's no big deal. Okay. Alrighty. So the caution's out. I don't know where that puts us. I don't even know what it came out for. Oh, it came out. That's why it came out when I was entering the pits. The 120 truck was coming out and just we hit each other, and he ends up in the sand barrel there. So that's what the caution's for. Okay. No, we don't need a pit. Okay. So we're on the outside. I believe that means we're still first. Yep. Gotta get to the bottom of the track. Van Dyke. Try to get by him. See how that goes. I don't expect them to be too rough, even though we're rivals. We're not terrible rivals. So we might be a little better. I don't know. Can't even tell you what my lead is. Okay. Apparently it's 12 seconds. That's interesting. Alright, so I'm not gonna run too crazy. Why would I have a lead at 12 seconds? Oh, you know what? Van Dyke. Everyone must be a lap down, except for him now that he's in front of me. That's my guess. Seems like we're getting around the track a lot faster on this run. I've already caught that lap traffic. Almost caught that lap traffic. Another couple laps, I'll be right on them.
The 108 car, just looking to pass on the high side.
I think that 108 car's a lap down, so I don't even think that would matter. Alright, back to neutral with Van Dyke. Who would have thought you can mend the fence here? Well, it ain't over yet. Still gotta get by him. If I give him the bumper, he may not like that. Which here is probably your best option actually to get around people. Unless you run the apron like that, but even then the car becomes hard to turn. Then it just wants to go towards the wall.
Everybody, 10 laps to go.
I'm just gonna follow Van Dyke, I think.
Outside.
He seems to know how to get around here a lot better than I do. Oh, we got some rivalries in front of us. And we're back to Van Dyke. That 135 truck really tried to wreck me there. That's okay, I expected it out of the 164 truck here too. Leaned on his quarter there. Say clear, but I don't know if I am. Yeah, I guess I am clear. Didn't seem like I was clear. I'm glad I was.
Outside, outside, you got one outside. Number 6, looking right. You got both sides, you're all clear. Number 107, is outside. They're all out. Let's go, let's finish it off. You got one high.
A little tight there. On the door.
Here we go, last lap. There you go, all clear. One's up high.
Yeah, Van Dyke. Okay, we were a whole lap ahead of everyone.
Still there.
That's amazing. So we finished a lap ahead of everyone.
I told you we had something for him today.
Actually, just a lap ahead of Van Dyke, 2 laps ahead of everyone else. That caution came out at the right time, apparently. Alright, we'll take it. That's, I think that's win number 6 on the season. Let's check race results. So, obviously, we led every single lap. Let's see. Eubank started P25, finished P6, 2 laps down. Points leader, Chase Montgomery there, he started P8, finished P11, 2 laps down. Goldstein started 17th, finished 17th. Again, he was 2 laps down. Fisher started 27th, finished 24th, 3 laps down. And I don't think we had anyone out of the race. No. Alright, so I will see you guys back at the home screen. Alright, we got some phone calls. Let's see what they're all about. Let's check the email. Ace Moneymaker, interested race team. Okay, let's see. Check it out. I've got a test session scheduled for Showstopper Graphics Dodge on Tuesday, week 30. You'll be shooting for an NNS contract. Okay. So another National Series. What's NASCAR National Series? Is that what that stands for? NNS, aka the Busch Series at this time. Ace Moneymaker, buying a team. Ooh, this could be interesting. Let's see what he has to say.
Hey, what's going on, man? It's Ace. I noticed you've been bringing in some cash and taking a look at your accounts. Looks to me like you can afford yourself a pretty decent modified team. Why don't you take a look at investing some of that money you've made, baby?
Alright, something we might think about at the end of the season. Or beginning of next, whatever it is you can buy a race team. But something to think about. Angry Driver.
Hey, what's going on, man? Now, I'm not sure what you did to get this guy so peeved, but he's got steam coming out of his ears. Now, I can hold him off for a little bit, but at some point, you're going to need to talk to him. So, tell me, what do you want me to say? You want to apologize, or you just want to ignore the situation?
I wish I knew who it was. But, just for fun, let's confront him. See what happens. Okay, so, next, what we got coming up next? So we got the test session at Las Vegas. And then, our next race is a modified race at Levi Strauss going down to the home stretch. That'll be, race 15 and 19. And then for our next Truck Series race, that will be at Bristol, another short track. So it's probably some more bent fenders and hurt feelings. Ought to be fun. Alright, let's check season standings before we call it a day. So Chase Montgomery is still leading the points. He has 237 points over Todd Glover. I think that's Glover. For now it's Glover. So we'll just say that. Eubanks currently sitting 10th. He's 666 points behind. The dreaded 666. Where are we sitting? All right. We have cracked the top 20 in points in the Truck Series. Okay. That was my goal. As of right now, we're sitting at our goal. But 15th ain't too far off. So maybe we get the top 15 in points. New goal. So far, we've met all our goals as far as point standings go. So keep progressing there. And then for our other teammates, Fisher and Goldstein 33rd and 34th, respectively. And they are just absolute garbage at this point, as far as I'm concerned. That will be it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. It lets me know that I'm doing a good job and that you guys are enjoying this content. Also, if you're enjoying this content, hit that subscribe button, click the bell on, get notifications every time I upload. Leave a comment down in the comment section for any ideas, suggestions, tips, or just if you want to spark up a conversation. It's fine by me. I will entertain that. So on that note, have yourself I cannot talk today. Have yourself a great day, great night, and I will see you guys very, very soon.